In this video, you will learn how to generate and interpret the Dataset Report in Neural Designer. This report gives you a complete overview of the data you will use to build your predictive model. Before performing any analysis or training step, it is essential to understand the structure, composition, and quality of your dataset. Let's start with the concrete properties example. We open Neural Designer and, from the menu on the left side of the screen, click on the Examples button. All the available examples are displayed, and we select the concrete properties example. Then, go to the Dataset section and click Report Dataset in the Task Manager. When you run this task, Neural Designer creates a detailed summary of your dataset and displays it in the Neural Viewer. Let's go through the main elements of the report using the Concrete Properties dataset as an example. Dataset Description. The dataset contains the information needed to train the model. It is organized as a data matrix, where columns represent variables, rows represent samples. Neural Designer also classifies variables into three types. Inputs, which are the independent variables the model learns from. Targets, the dependent variables you want to predict. And unused variables, which are excluded from the modeling process. Similarly, samples can belong to four groups. Training samples, used to teach the model. Selection samples, used to choose the model with the best generalization. Testing samples, used to validate the model's accuracy. And excluded samples, which are ignored during training. Data Preview Table. The first table in the report shows a preview of the raw dataset. In the concrete properties example, the dataset contains 8 variables and 425 samples. There are no categorical variables in this particular dataset, so all 8 columns correspond directly to numerical variables. This preview helps you quickly verify that the dataset was loaded correctly and provides an initial sense of the values and scales involved. The Variables Table. Next, Neural Designer displays the Variables Table, which includes the name of each variable, its type, and its role in the modeling process. For the Concrete Properties dataset, the report shows 7 input variables, 1 target variable, 0 excluded variables. This overview ensures that all variables are adequately assigned before proceeding with analysis or training. A variables bar chart. Neural Designer also generates a bar chart summarizing the roles of the variables. It visually confirms how many variables are inputs, how many are targets, and how many are excluded. This is especially helpful in larger datasets, where scrolling through the variables table may not be as convenient. Samples pie chart. Another useful visualization is the samples distribution pie chart. In our example, 60% of the samples are training, 20% are selection, and 20% are testing. This distribution is commonly recommended because it provides enough data for training while keeping enough samples reserved for unbiased evaluation. Missing Values Summary. Finally, the report checks for missing values across the entire dataset in the Concrete Properties dataset. Neural Designer confirms that there are no missing values, meaning the data is complete and ready for analysis. You now know how to generate and understand the dataset report in Neural Designer. This report gives you a clear and structured overview of the information you will use to build your predictive model. In the next video, you will learn how to calculate variable statistics to better understand the distribution, scale, and behavior of each variable in your dataset.